Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s and let me show you how to activate image stabilization on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and here we have to enter the settings. They are in the left upper corner. Now let's scroll down to the video section, and at the very bottom of it we've got the video stabilization option, which is right now turned off. If you would like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it, and from now on the image stabilization will be applied, so all videos recorded whilst running or walking won't be as shaky as they will be without this option. Of course you can turn it off by tapping on it again, and from now on this option is turned off, but I highly recommend to leave it turned on because it's quite useful. So actually that's all. This is how to activate image stabilization in your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.